Imagine a river without a voice. Once vibrant, now silent and choked. Across the world, rivers have been reduced to polluted, lifeless channels, their ecosystems destroyed and communities left with poisoned legacies. We treated rivers as resources to exploit, forgetting they are living systems that sustain us. The water turned toxic, the wildlife vanished, and the landscapes became barren. This wasn't just an ecological disaster, it was a loss of culture, spirit, and our connection to nature. Yet, nature is resilient, and so can we be. What if we could help these silent rivers sing again? In small pockets around the globe, people began to see dying rivers as patients in need of care. With bold ideas and collective will, they sparked a quiet revolution. They believed the impossible was possible. And so began some of the most inspiring stories of river revival our planet has ever witnessed. In the Pacific Northwest, the Elwha River was once a wild artery for salmon and the lower Elwha tribe. Two massive dams silenced its flow, blocking salmon and unraveling the ecosystem. The tribe lost not just food, but a cornerstone of their culture. For decades, the dams seemed permanent until a radical idea emerged, removed them entirely. After years of advocacy, the dams came down, releasing the river from its century-long prison. The Elwha began to heal itself, carving new channels and restoring its estuary. Salmon returned, forests revived, and the river's natural rhythm was restored. The Elwha's rebirth showed the wisdom of letting nature lead. It was a profound lesson. Sometimes the best way to fix what we've broken is to step aside and let the river run free. The impossible became reality. A river's song returned. The Danube, Europe's second longest river, suffered from pollution, dams, and drained floodplains. Its decline was too big for any one nation to solve. Countries united under the Danube River Protection Convention, aiming to restore the river as a single, living system. The key was rewilding, giving the river space to flood its natural plains again. Restored floodplains reduced floods, purified water, and revived biodiversity. Protected areas and fish passages brought back sturgeon and bird life. The Danube's revival reconnected a continent, healing old divisions and creating a shared natural heritage. Working with nature, not against it, proved monumental. The river was allowed to breathe again. In cities worldwide, rivers were buried beneath concrete, severing our connection to nature. This destroyed urban ecosystems and increased flooding. Then came daylighting, the act of bringing buried rivers back to the surface. Seoul's Cheonggyecheon stream was resurrected, transforming a highway into a vibrant public park. The restored stream cooled the city, boosted biodiversity, and became a beloved gathering place. Daylighting projects are now spreading globally as cities rediscover the value of their hidden waterways. Urban rivers can be lifelines, even in the heart of modern cities. Letting rivers run free brings nature and joy back to our lives. The most magical part of river restoration is the swift return of wildlife. On the Elwha, salmon surged upstream for the first time in a century, reviving the entire ecosystem. Bears, eagles, and otters returned, and new estuary habitats formed. In Europe, rewilded Danube floodplains became havens for birds and ancient sturgeon. Even in Seoul, the daylighted stream saw fish and bird species multiply. Dragonflies now dance above the water, and the city's heart beats with new life. These stories prove that if we give nature a chance, life returns, often faster than we ever imagined. Restoration is not just possible, it's powerful. Rivers can heal if we let them. They show that even near collapse, nature can recover if given the chance. These transformations happened because people dared to imagine a different future and took bold action. Our role is to partner with nature, not conquer it. We have the knowledge and capacity to heal what we've broken. Since you have made it to the end of the video, why not consider subscribing? It supports the channel, and you get a daily dose of fun geography facts. You can also watch this video about a town that is accidentally a microstate due to certain disputes with Italy.